Trinamool Congress chief Mukul Sangma has firmly stated that he has no plans to rejoin the Congress party, adding that his focus remains on challenging the ruling dispensation. The seasoned politician did not dismiss the possibility of launching a new political party in the near future. And Sangma criticized the alliance between the Congress and NPP in KHADC, claiming that the Congress is complicit with the NPP. He emphasized that his efforts are directed towards strengthening the state and cannot be diverted by such alliance.
Do I need Congress to serve the people? I started my innings as an independent MLA. Yeah, I don't have a godfather in politics. I have only the people who think the same way, people who share my ideas, and people who dare to fight will be with me. I don't believe in shortcut. Because somebody may be thinking, oh, if Mukul Sangma goes, then it'll be easier for it. That is their opinion. It may be easier, but Mukul Sangma doesn't believe in not fighting. Mukul Sangma believes in fighting for the right cause.
Opposition